On second and goal, Connor again, nose down, he's in for the Cardinal touchdown! Arizona takes the lead with 32 seconds left.
Oh my God. I knew y'all was bad, but I didn't think y'all would lose to the 4-12 Cardinals at home bad. Y'all lose to the Cardinals at home after taking a 21-6 lead in the halftime bag. Y'all gave up 449 yards of offense bad. Y'all gave up 228 yards on the ground bad. Y'all gave up 31 first downs bad. Time of possession was damn near 40 minutes to 20 minutes for the Cardinals bad. Come on, man. You gotta show up, man. Stop acting like a little bitch, man. You gotta show up. I didn't know y'all was their punter never punted bad. Wow. He really ain't coming out. Y'all had every reason to play well today. The Cardinals did not. Y'all had everything in front of y'all. The division, one of the top 2 spots in the conference, home field for the playoffs. The Cardinals did not. All the Cardinals had was pride. And today, pride kicked y'all motherfucking ass. Fair weather fan. Stick a fork in y'all, because y'all done. Y'all might even lose to the Giants next week. You definitely losing to whoever you face in the playoffs. This season is over.